Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about business, digital skills and how to make money online. In these tutorials, I'll be teaching you how to create your own WhatsApp channel. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified on any time I upload a new video. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your WhatsApp. And when you are logged into your WhatsApp, you come here, you click on update. You select update, which was formerly status. Look at it. You select update, which was formerly status. And when you select update, it will bring you here. You can see there are different options here. There are different channels you can follow. You can follow any channel that you want to follow. So when you are here, you come here, you click on this plus icon here. You can see this plus icon. When you select this plus icon, it's going to bring two options for you, which are the create channel and the find channel. What this find channel means is you want to search for, let's say you're looking for a particular channel. Let's say you're looking for news or something related to news channel. You can see there are different channels on news here with so many followers. So this is what find channel is all about. But let's say you want to create channel, you come here, you now select the create channel option. You can see it's telling us create a channel to reach unlimited followers. You see, you are responsible for your channel. Your channel needs to follow our guidelines. So you need to read these guidelines. Read it and understand everything about the guidelines to WhatsApp channel. So when you are done reading, you can click on continue. And when you click on continue, let's say we want to name this channel digital skills. Then you can see the options too to upload your profile. Then it's asking for a description. So we can say, you can put a description like this channel is about teaching you everything on digital skills. Then when you're done with your description, you come here, you click on create channel. It's creating. So we've successfully created a channel. So you can now share this channel. You can see I just followed. When you click on follow, you can come here, click on these three icon here. When you click on this three icon, which means you can unfollow, you can share. But we want to share this channel to people on our Facebook, Instagram, whatever platform you want to share this channel to, so that people can follow this particular channel. Then you can do that. So when you're done, you can create as many channels as you want to. That's if you have the time to keep it updated and post whatever you want to post. So hope this video was helpful. Hope you've understood and see how simple it is to create your own WhatsApp channel. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.